Super excited, the sun just came out and we are about to go on our first camping trip with Dork and the Road and McLovin.
Nicely done.
Camping here. Right here. Good to see you.
I didn't see the rough stuff.
The nice thing about panniers though is it's easy to pick up.
Ready? I will film, hopefully.
On the headset with Chris going, well, this looks like a road, but I'm not sure where the hell this campsite is.
Awesome, welcome in.
Thank you.
Look at the wheels all warmed up.
I feel like I should have, so do I. I feel like I should have more to say, but I gotta check in. I need footage, so.
Dork, you always have something to say.
I do. I'll check in with you guys maybe when I get in the tent. But I'm just gonna hang out and enjoy. Stop it. Sorry. You wanna borrow my shoes? I have no idea what that even means, but
They're my big rubber shoes. I told you already.
right.
You want to borrow?
Keep forgetting. I don't usually wear shoes, but whatever gets you off, man. Your kink is your kink.
Right?
PG channel. Enjoy the fire B-roll I'm gonna shoot, and then I'll see you in the tent or something. That's what she said. Anybody else want to add anything productive? Or the hard part here is when it gets this short. Are you filming this? I could set my beard on fire at any moment.
Let's do it.
Plus the bourbon on my breath. It's like difficulty degree of like 32 on a scale of whatever, 1 to 32.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. Why are you subscribed to this channel? Leave that in the comments, because I have no idea. I would unsubscribe right now. I would understand. I can't wait to check the analytics on this one. Mine is 30.
You know, the great thing about unsubscribing from Dork is that you're going to come over to my channel and subscribe to the For the Love of
You
Knobs.
actually can subscribe to both.
No, it doesn't work that way. It's the rule of 32s.
Like, we're going to have to roll back. We won't be able to do the 20,000 subscriber live stream on April 9th because I'll be under it. Because I'll lose so many subscribers. Ooh, shit, you probably turned off my camera. That's what happened. I took my helmet off when I peed.
I got it.
You turned it off, so I would have to tell people to go to your video to see what was
McLovin.
the cool shit.
I got lots of rear end footage of Dork.
Good morning, sleepyhead.
Good morning. There's the birds and the river, and it's just gorgeous here. It was so much fun to camp again, although it's cold in March. Most of me was warm. I learned the right number of layers is 7, except my feet, I only had 2 layers. They got a little cold last night.
Everybody's still sleeping. We have to be very quiet. There's snoring. Tea.
It's tea time.
It's a nice little kettle, don't you think?
I like it.
Cheers.
I have to say, we just picked this up. It is, what's it called? Sea to Summit?
It's an X-Pot, I think.
X-Pot. It's got this perfect little pourer for pouring hot water. It collapses completely flat, and we both absolutely love it. So that was an excellent idea. What we had before was kind of hard and metal, so it was big, bulky, a little bit heavier, and subject to being dented. This feels sturdy, we'll find out. And it's easier to pour because of the little pouring spot.
Let's get the pouring spot. There, pouring spot.
If you're interested, Moto Camp Nerd carries them in his store, so click up here somewhere. We'll put a link so that you can check out his channel, and we'll put a link in the description below so you can check out the pot in his store.
I may have gotten your snoring on camera.
Sweet. It's good. People need to understand what it's like to go camping with me. top to bottom. Kind of review video, that would be hilarious to use if you sent it to me.
I'll send it to you.
I slept pretty comfortably. Could you do something about the smoke direction? No, I like Mike's fire a lot better, I'm just saying.
It's just trying to make it for all those cigars.
That's true, it's like, you're one of us.
He could put it on his resume, friend of smoke.
There was a great horned owl in my tent. No. There's a great horned owl above my tent.
Great story, bro.
Anyway, you don't care about the context, you just care about this. There's my new channel intro.
While everybody here is packing up, Nathan and I are sneaking away for one more night. We're gonna go see Alsea Falls and see the ridgeline, and looking forward to seeing the beauty that this area has to offer.
Thanks for the recommendation, guys.
Yeah.
Come try out a new area.
And we get to go through the mud pit again.
And hopefully not crash this time.
One of us did not have any crashes.
Just like a wave makes me wonder.
Well, we managed to camp about a mile from Alsea Falls, which is really beautiful, and we have a nice sunny day to enjoy it with.
It is so nice after the long winter we've had to be outside camping and hiking, and it's sunny and warm, pretty warm. And we are just so happy that it's starting to be the spring riding season again.
Higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky.
So we're out exploring here in Alsea Falls area that McLovin and Dork on the Road so graciously introduced us to. We've never been out here before. And I gotta say, it's beautiful here. It's the roads are nice and mellow and easy, and the forest is beautiful, and we're just having a great day. Temperature's about 60 degrees, so we're feeling good. It's kind of a nice change from, you know, all that winter weather that we've been having. We're gonna go look for a scenic lookout and maybe get some drone shots, so that'll be exciting. It's kind of a different way of us exploring, given the fact that normally we do kind of BDR style camping and riding, but this time we're just setting up home base for the weekend and out exploring this forest area, which has been kind of a nice, slower change of pace for us. I've been enjoying the relaxation, the sunny weather, and good times.
Started up a band in my garage.
Ooh, even more muddiness for Chris's Nis. Glad I kept my Tusk tires on. I'm sort of on the wrong side of this whole business. Oh, you're digging a trench. That's hilarious. I don't really want to go down the middle of this, do I? Know how soft this is? Not soft. It's not bad at all. That was fun.
The aftermath of the mud.
Sign of a good ride.
Was my friend way back when we were higher than.
So what a fun day today. We saw Alsea Falls, and that was really beautiful. We took some pictures there and some video, and
Went hiking.
yeah, it was a lot of hiking too. It was pretty steep.
Then we went riding. We found some fun off-road that had a ton of mud, and went way, way, way up to a viewpoint and saw an eagle and butterflies playing. And
Tonight we're planning on cooking some dinner and having a fire, and then tomorrow we'll head out in the morning. But it's been a great day.
absolutely. Well, we survived our very first camping trip of the year, and it was a little bit cold and a lot bit awesome.
It sure was. I wasn't cold at all, but it was awesome, and we really enjoyed getting out in the woods again and camping. We've missed that. If you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. And what are they gonna do in the comments below, Chris?
In the comments below, let us know where you're looking forward to camping this year. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next ride.